Hey guys, Saving with Shay. Listen, yesterday was a whole situation and your girl just couldn't make it here for the life of me. I'm not even joking with you guys. I'm not even gonna get into specifics, but it was just stressful, very stressful. Nonetheless, I am happy to finally be here for my CVS video for this week, you guys. I already did all my deals. I'm not done yet. But if you're new here, yes. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. So, if I did my deals, I did like half a dozen transactions because my thresholds were in there fighting. They were like ping, 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 uppercut. They were fighting, so I had to break up my transaction. Like the last situation that I was doing, I had to break it up into like 3 different transactions because it just wasn't working out. Like they was fighting, and so but it did work out. I wanted to say this really quick. Now, one of the stores that I used to go to when I worked up like further from here, and that manager, I don't know if she was a manager or a cashier, but I did not really, she's a manager, I did not care for her at all. Like I don't know what it was, but I didn't like her, and I don't think she really cared much for your girl either. But now she's over here because they've transferred them all out since they closed that store. And I actually like her now. Like, I feel like she's on my team. I feel like we was in there vibing. I was like, okay, you're a homie now. I only say that to say, just because you have issues with certain managers or cashiers doesn't mean it's always going to be like that. Because I did ask to like her. I was just like, I ain't going to her. No, sir. No, I'm not. But today, super awesome, super freaking cool. I think I did like 4 or 5 transactions. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I did 5 because the last situation, like I said, the thresholds was in there fighting. They was getting down, and so all my deals are done already. I'm not done this week. I was really hoping to do a household deal, but God, I don't need it, you guys. I don't need it. Other than that, I'm gonna keep this brief. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. If you haven't liked yet, go ahead and do that. Hello, share if you want to share. Leave a comment if there's a deal that you are getting down with this week. Like I want to know in the comments, what is the hottest deal this week at CVS? Like, what is the hottest deal? That's what I want to know. And hopefully I did it already. If not, I want to know in the comments. So other than that, I will leave it there. We're going to head into CVS and see what kind of deals we can grab this week. So keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal, we had to do it first because, like I said, make your money, then you spend it. So this first deal is on the L'Oreal skincare. It's spend 30, get back 10. And for this, we're going to go ahead and just grab some of the cheaper items because I figure why not? And so we're going to be grabbing 3 of the cleansers. They are priced at $7.29. So we'll grab 3 of those, and we're also going to be grabbing a 4th item. They also have those as well, the toners. I have so many toners, like I cannot even look at them. But the 4th item we're going to grab is another cleanser. It is priced at $7.99. So all 4 products are going to come to $29.77. Now I do have a 6 off 30 CRT I'm using, plus 4 of the $5 printables, which are no longer available. You end up paying $3.77 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks, making this a $6.23 moneymaker, you guys. Must do deal. All right, so the next deal is going to be on the Revlon hair color. These are buy 2 get back 3. I did this deal last week. They're priced at $4.79. You're going to grab 2 of them at a total of $9.58. Now I do have a free hair dye CRT that takes up the max amount, which is $9. So you'll end up paying 58 cents out of pocket, but getting back $3 in extra care bucks. Plus there's $1 back for buying 2 on Ibotta, making this a $3.42 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Oral-B. It's not an extra care buck deal, but it is going to be really cheap toothbrushes. And so for this, you want to grab the cheaper Oral-B indicator brushes. They're priced at $139. So 4 of them is going to cost you $5.56. We're going to use it 5 off of 3 digital, which will take off the 5. We'll end up paying 56 cents out of pocket, making it like 14 cents each, which is definitely not bad. Okay, so what I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to grab the toothpaste. This is Joseph's toothpaste by choice. It's priced at $2.79, so I'm going to grab 1 of these, and I'm going to grab 2 of the toothbrushes, again, at $139. The total is $5.57 for all 3, and we're using the 5 off 3 digital, which is going to bring it down to 57 cents for all 3, or only 19 cents each. So I'm probably going to do this deal like this across the board and stock him up on toothpaste. All right, so here is what this transaction looks like. There goes the Revlon at the top. There goes the L'Oreal, the Crest, the Oral-B. All my printables scanned for the what was that, L'Oreal. There goes the 5 off of 3 digital on the Oral-B. There goes our free hair dye, 6 off 30. And then I wrote $5 in extra care bucks, paid $5.11 out of pocket, got back 13. So it made this transaction a $7.89 moneymaker, which is totally awesome. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Copper Tone sunscreen. It is spend 20, get back 10. And so for this, we're going to be grabbing 2 of them. Now, I do have a 3 off of 9 CRT that I'm going to use. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here. It is priced at $11.49. So 2 of them is going to come to $22.98. Again, I have a 3 off of 9 CRT. Gonna stack that with a 5 off of 2 coupon from our inserts. Now we also have a $2 digital that is glitching as well. So end up paying $12.98 out of pocket and get back $10 in extra care bucks, making them $1.49 each. All right, so this next deal is on the CoverGirl. When isn't there a deal on CoverGirl each week at CVS? All right, so this week we have some awesome coupons. We also have a CRT. And you might have a 3 off of 10, which I have. You might have a 4 off 16 makeup, which I also have. So with doing this deal, we're going to be grabbing some of the higher price items just so that it can cover all of our coupons. So for me, I have, what is that, 4, 8, 12, $15 in coupons. So I want to make sure I have enough product to cover that. So we're going to grab the mascara, which is priced at $8.49. And for this, we have a $4 coupon that's also digital as well. With this, I'm going to grab the mascara as well, which is priced at $6.79. Again, there's a digital, and then we also have a coupon. So you can do 2 coupons and no digital, or you can do 1 coupon, 1 digital. So both products are going to come to $15.28. Again, 3 off of 10 CRT, $4 CRT, and 2 $4 coupons. It's going to bring it total to 28 cents out of pocket. But we're going to be getting back $5 in extra care bucks, making this a $4.72 moneymaker. All right, and okie dokie. So here is what my second transaction looks like. So I had to add chocolate as a filler because I was using a $4 extra care book. I didn't have anything less than that. And there goes the CoverGirl. There goes the Copper Tone. There goes the $4 coupon off of the CoverGirl, 5 off 2 on the Copper Tone. There goes the corresponding digitals. $4 off the CoverGirl CRT, 3 off of 10, 3 off of 9. I rolled a total of $13.85, and then we got back a total of $15 altogether. So it makes this transaction a $1.15 moneymaker. Next up is going to be on the check. It is a spend, it's buy 2, get back 10. And for this, they don't have any more of the ones priced at $11.99, so we're going to grab 2 of them priced at $12.79. The 2 is going to come to $25.58. Now, I do have a 6 off of 20 CRT that I'm going to use. I'm going to stack that with $4 coupons. We have coupons from our inserts. There's also digitals. I think I actually have 2 digitals as well that you can use. You end up paying $11.58 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks. It's going to bring these down to $1.58 for both of them, are only 79 cents each. All right, and this is what this transaction looks like. There goes the razors. I did have 2 $4 digitals that I went ahead and used rather than the paper coupons. There goes a 6 off of 20 CRT. I did roll a total of $11.52, and then I got back the 10, so it nets this at $1.49 each. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do CoverGirl one more time. And so for this, I have a 4 off of 16 CRT. So the 4 off 16 plus a $4 CRT and then a 2 $4 coupons. I need to get a total of $16 before coupons. I'm going to grab the higher price item right here. It's priced at $10.49. And then for that, we do have coupons from the inserts as well. And so we're grabbing one of those. I'm also going to be grabbing the double pack of the pencils, which is priced at $5.79. Both of them are going to come to $16.28. Again, 4 off 16 CRT, $4 CRT, and then $4 coupons off of each of them. There are digitals, there are printables, there are paper coupons. You'll pay 28 cents out of pocket and get back 5, making this a $4.72 moneymaker. And just like that, this was a perfect transaction. There goes our CoverGirl, there goes the digitals, there goes the $4 CRT, 4 off of 16 CRT. We ended up paying 28 cents up total, got back 5, making us a $4.72 moneymaker. All right, guys, so the last deal I'm going to go over is going to be on the Revlon. It's spend 15, get back 5. They didn't have a lot left, so I'm going to go ahead and just grab these priced at $10.49. 2 of them is going to be $20.98. I do have a 4 off of 20 CRT. We all are getting a $5 CRT. And then I'm going to stack it with the 6 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. Now we also have a $2.50 digital as well, which is then going to bring both of them to $3.48 out of pocket. But we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, making us a $1.52 moneymaker. And there you have it. There goes the Revlon. There goes the 6 off of 2 manufacturer. There goes the $2.50 digital, 5 off of 1 CRT, 4 off 20 CRT. We paid a total of $3.48, and we got back 5, making us a $1.52 moneymaker. All right, guys. So here is my little bitty haul for today. I'm not done. I'm so not done. I just did not have a lot of time in the store today, but everything worked out perfectly. I did 5 different transactions. Same cashier is super, super awesome. All my coupons that needed to scan today, all scanned, all digitals that applied, all CRTs applied, which was really cool. So everything you see here retails $146.32. I had $112.50 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought my out-of-pocket down to $33.82. And then I walk away with $48 in extra care bucks, another $1 on Ibotta for the Revlon hair dye, which makes this a $15.18 moneymaker, which is so awesome. Our tax for this was $9.39. So even after tax, we still make $5.79, which is really, really cool. So other than that, I will leave it there, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.